See, this is my new trick. I've been just rolling all over. Now you're going to stop now that I have you recording? Go on, Sydney. Oh, there you go. Can you go back the other way? Good job. Good job, Pumpkin. I think you like your rug, don't you? Oh, my arm's stuck. My arm's stuck. Hi, sweetheart. Are you tuckered out from all the rolling you were just doing? Hi, Pumpkin. Sydney, can you wave? You know how we've been waving? Say hi. Say hi. Can you wave? See, not when I'm on my tummy. Now I can wave. Let me see your hand wave. No, you're just going to keep rolling. You're a silly girl. Oh my. Okay, bye-bye.